This tiny cabin home embodies the essence of Japanese style design, where simplicity, function, and also harmony with space come together in a refined balance. At its core is a smart spatial layout that integrates compact cabinetry with a sliding door partition system, crafted not only to divide rooms but to serve dual purpose. The upper section of the sliding partition is cleverly transformed into built-in overhead cabinets, offering ample storage without encroaching on the living area. This high-mounted storage unit is ideal for stowing away seasonal items and everyday goods, maximizing vertical space in the spirit of Japanese efficiency. Throughout the cabin design remains minimalist and intentional. Flat front panels, natural wood tones, and discrete handles maintain visual calm and order. Each built-in cabinet is carefully positioned to serve daily life while preserving an uncluttered interior, in line with traditional Japanese values of modesty and restraints. Beneath the loft bed lies a relaxing and multifunctional room, a flexible space that adapts to the needs of the occupants, whether as a serene reading corner, meditation area, or compact workspace framed by wide glass window openings. This room is bathed in natural light and opens up to views of the outdoors, creating a tranquil connection to nature. The natural lighting, combined with the minimalist wood interior, evokes a peaceful atmosphere, turning this compact space into a true retreat. With its clever use of sliding partition, integrated cabinets, and a flexible under-loft bed area, this tiny cabin reflects the Japanese philosophy of maximizing purpose within minimal space, offering comfort, clarity, and also a refined approach to small living.